What is up, my kings and queens? I don't got a voice, so y'all sing it for me. Kings and queens. We're in Orlando, Florida. Yeah. Ooh. What you doing? See, Brenton, you be thinking to be us making her do that. She do it on her own. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe, and let's get into it, okay? So I don't care what y'all say, baby food is good, and yes, I'm not a baby, but we're gonna eat it anyways because
yes ma'am.
Oh no, I don't want that.
The blueberry kind is good.
All of them good. No, banana, strawberry.
I don't like banana.
Blueberry is the bomb.
Ashley, you want some of this?
It's for babies.
Yeah, she don't even eat this, so that's great. This is expensive though.
What got vanilla?
Ugh, that's plain. Which one y'all want?
No, that's like banana.
It's $10. We finna be sharing one. They taxing. These is $1 and these is like $10.
How is this 10? But it's
10. You see that? Good too. Or this outfit. What is that? What? It's a character on a Disney movie she looking like right now with this outfit on. What is it?
I don't know.
I can't remember. We're gonna figure it out though. We might as well have bought the whole store.
$7 billion. 6 pair of lashes.
A coach person, 5 bands, 4 pieces of chicken.
a big Birkin bag.
2 turtle doves. And a partridge in a pear tree.
Okay, so I had to come here because it's the quietest place right now. I still don't have a voice, and we've been out all day, and I took a nap, so I kind of forgot that I was vlogging, but I'll still make sure it's a real vlog. I tried some sweetheart ropes, they good. Somebody on Instagram put me on to those. I'm gonna try some mango mochi. I don't like mochi, but I don't know how to explain it. I keep trying because it's not nasty, it's just that dough texture. Like, I need a mochi that have less dough on it. A thinner layer of dough. I still don't have a voice, so I'm really not trying to talk, y'all. It might be more like a Florida dump or something, because this right here is not cute. Today's just been a really long day. We went shopping. I'm ready to get ready to get into bed, take my shower and all that other good stuff, eat, and lay down. This is the only spot that I can get good lighting. This is why I can't vlog, because everybody's so loud.
I'm a good one.
Stop. What are you doing?
Recording. Anyways, I woke up with a worse headache this morning. I still don't have a voice. I got some stuff. I got some crabs. They are so loud. I got some Crocs. I got some Croc charms. I got some jewelry from Guess. I got some bras. It's baby. It's a little tight. These bras like this, a little tight. I'm wearing a D when I should be wearing a double D. Yeah, so it's hurting. I don't really spend money on food because I'm supposed to be, come January, really after we get back off this trip, I'm gonna go back to eating good, right, because I want to try out for something and I need to get my body right. So Yeah, I wasn't really trying to buy clothes and stuff because I like shopping online. I didn't really see nothing I like. It's more stuff online. So yeah, I didn't get no purses out of Coach. That I do have to get in person because like, come on now. But I just got a Coach purse for my senior night. Oh yeah, let me show you my Coach purse. I got this Coach purse. It was a gift. I love this purse. Like, lately I've been into the purses with the handles. And I needed a new brown purse, so yeah. I need a red purse, I need a black purse, I need a light brown purse. Yeah, that's what it was. I got this bracelet. Yeah, I got it in silver, rose gold, and gold. I love my Pandora bracelet, but I don't have bracelets. Like, you can't wear your Pandora bracelet everywhere. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's cute, yeah, but this is a very expensive bracelet. You can't wear it everywhere you go. Sometimes you need to, don't get me wrong, this is good quality too, but you know what I'm saying. Expensive jewelry is not everywhere. Let me tell you something. I got up at 1 o'clock, 8, got back in the bed, slept till 4, took a shower, went shopping, came back here. It's a game room here, and they got a movie theater on the resort area and a water park and stuff. But it just closed like maybe 10 minutes ago because it closed at 10 and it's like 10 something. Yeah, and let me show y'all something. Every single time we go out of town, we go to Walmart, buy the whole store, and eat out the whole time we here. That don't make sense. We got all of this. Y'all see this? Look at Ashley. It's good.
Bro, I think that's gonna come out.
Child, we got cereal, we got ice cream, waffles. I'm talking about we got like 3 different kinds of ice cream over there. You would think we live in here. We're only here for 2 more days, sweetie. It's only 8 of us here. Like, please. And we only eat maybe once or twice a day. We don't eat like this is not K plus 8. We don't eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. No, we're not even on a set schedule. And none of us be snacking like that. But Ashley. Say hey. We just got back from the pool. Just had my shower, eat something, and we're gonna head back out.
I'm not dumb. It's real. I'm not stupid. That thing just moved. Alright, it's gonna hit us. Now come on. Look at the head. Look at this. Right.
All right, there we go. All right. Yeah, there you go. Take that man down just for a second. All right.